Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. There was a time when our forefathers completed their Quranic learning and Islamic knowledge in the mosque-based maktab. But today, in this busy life, our family responsibility, pressure from office and business, children's academic studies, and tuition private hassles. As a result, slowly our families are moving away from the basic knowledge of Islam and the light of the Quran. And darkness of ignorance about Islam is entering our house. We want to remove this darkness, to spread the light of the Quran and Islam in every heart, children, young and old. With this goal, Talimus Sunnah Academy offering successfully courses on Quran recitation and memorization, Hadith, Tajweed, Tafsir, Fiqh, Islamic stories, Islamic supplication, Islamic child development and parenting, etc. Also under the guidance of skilled and experienced teachers. We provide special language courses in English, Arabic, Bangla and Urdu. We also have a collection of Islamic books for everyone, young, children and old. So why delay? Let us bring ourselves and our families into the light of the Quran and Islam. So join the Talimus Sunnah Academy's family now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Thank you everyone.